long time ago, in a tiny town near the coastline in West Sumatra, lived a female and her son, Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang's papa had actually died when he was a child, as well as he had to live tough with his mom. Malin Kundang was a healthy, diligent, and also strong kid. He generally went to the sea to capture fish, as well as brought it to his mommy, or offered it in the community. One day, when Malin Kundang was cruising customarily, he saw a vendor's ship which was being raided by a tiny band of pirates. With his take on and also power, Malin Kundang beat the pirates. The merchant was so happy and also asked Malin Kundang to cruise with him. Malin Kundang agreed. Several years later on, Malin Kundang ended up being a wealthy seller, with a substantial ship, lots of trading goods, numerous ship crews, as well as a beautiful wife. In his journey, his ship arrived on a coastline. The citizens recognized him, and the news ran quick in the community. Malin Kundang came to be an abundant male and now he is right here. His mother, in deep full sadness after years of isolation, ran to the beach to fulfill her precious boy once again. When the mom came, Malin Kundang, in front of his well-dressed other half, his teams and his own glory, rejected to satisfy that old, poor and filthy woman. For 3 times she pledged Malin Kundang and also for 3 times yelled at him. At last Malin Kundang said to her, "Enough, old female. I have actually never ever had a mom like you, an unclean and also ugly peasant." After that he bought his teams to set out. Angered, she cursed Malin Kundang that he would certainly turn into a stone if he didn't apologize. Malin Kundang simply giggled as well as set sail. In the quiet sea, unexpectedly an electrical storm came. His substantial ship was damaged and it was far too late for Malin Kundang to say sorry. He was thrown by the wave out of his ship, fell on a tiny island, and instantly transformed into rock.